Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your region in Steam. It's a very easy thing to do. So first of all you have to come your Steam, right? So to change your region, the only benefit you will get that you will able to purchase the games at a low price because the prices of the games are different in each country, right? So to change it you have to use a VPN. So just go and buy any of the VPN, right? It is not possible with a free VPN. You will have to change your IP address here. So here you can see you can just go to this VPN and just buy this and you can use it because it will 100% change your region of your Steam and you will able to access anything, right? And first of all, when you change your region, make sure you change the country where the prices of the games are low, right? For example, you have to change to the Indonesia or India, right? The prices of the games are there very low, so then you can just buy these games. But another thing is that sometimes it may get declined because of your the payment systems. So you need to set your payment address exactly where you have selected your country. For example, if you have selected Indonesia, then your payment address should be also in Indonesia. So that's the second issue thing. So you have to change both of this stuff to buy any of the game you want. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.